we can log in into BetWay account. So let's get started. First of all, in your laptop or in your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer. After that, on the search URL, type in BetWay login, then press enter on your keyboard. Now, head over to the first link that says login-Betway. Click on that. Now, that will directly take you to login page. Now to log in, first of all, you have to enter your username associated with your account. Make sure you type in your correct username associated with your account, and under that, type in your password. In case you forgot your password, there you will have a link that says forgotten password. Click on that and that will help you out to recover your account. Or if you don't have an account yet, you can create a new account by going through this option or link that says register. Here, once you're done typing in the username and password, and if you have entered the correct login credentials, click on this login button, and on the next page you will be directly logged into your BetWay account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.